We did it again! This time we scraped the bottom of Craigslist and found a 1993 Plymouth Voyager. In this video, watch us as we strip her down and build her up for mini stock racing and demolition derby.
Alright, we're doing it again. We're heading out into the boonies. Actually a ski resort. This is new, this is a first. And we're going to go pick up another vehicle. Hopefully, if it's any better than the last one. Please tell us about the last one.
The last van we took a look at yesterday, it was... I don't know how I can say it nicely. Full of shit.
It was full of shit.
Now, shit in the literal sense, not the figurative. Rat droppings.
Fecal matter. Alright, we've never actually done a minivan demolition derby, but it's kind of been on the bucket list. They seem to be a lot of crumple zone. And actually, if you think about it, a minivan has a decent amount of horsepower considering like the amount of mass that they're designed to move. When you don't have 7 people and like 8 seats in them, they're actually pretty light little tin cans. The crappy van, Windstar, had 200 horsepower. That's incredible. More than this. The Caravan, again, it's over 20 years old, but it's 165 horsepower, 3.3 liter V6 front wheel drive. Should be alright. Oh, it stalled. It does not want. Yay. Okay, I have a $150 car and the AC works. That's incredible. Previous owner had a dog. You can smell it. So all you dog owners, don't think you can't smell it. You can smell it. She is smoking a little bit of blue. But you know what, we're a short distance from home, and other than that, this thing's going to be racing and smashing, so it's not long left for this world.
The previous owner warned us the van would overheat on hills sometimes. After a quick inspection, we decided to chance it with a 2-hour drive home. Never let fear or common sense hold you back.
Turns out our $150 van wasn't such a good deal after all. It developed the problem. Let's out the spark plug.
What we do here is go back.
Tasty.
Let's see how bad this is.
We did not expect to be tearing into an engine, but we weren't afraid of the challenge. It turns out, the van only needed a new head gasket. Now on to more important things, like getting her ready for racing.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Left in.
So how's it going?
Plasma cutters make everything so much easier. Fire, it's your friend. Speed holes, they make the van go faster. Alright, let's crown this pig. Yeah. Yeah, zoom, zoom, zoom. Alright, so this is the front engine mount out of our Voyager van. As you can see, it is ripped and torn, and we don't want to put any more money into this van than we have to. So a quick fix that we have found is windshield adhesive. It's a nice hard rubber. Just gonna fill this whole thing up, let it harden, solid engine mount. There you go. What we're doing here is gonna wrap this pillar here with Gorilla Tape or duct tape. As the vehicle folds and flexes, it's going to try to help keep the top of this door to the roof. Just kind of keep a bit of the structure together.
With a fresh coat of paint, the Voyager was loaded up and off to Agrifair, off for figure 8 races and demolition derby. Stay tuned, watch the next video, see how much fun we had, how much pain we had, how much paint was shared, and how much oil was spilt.
Last city of
Endor. What's Endor from? Endor. Nerd moment. Endor. What's Endor from? Is it Star Wars or Lord of the Rings? Endor. Lord of the Rings. Endor. Isn't that don't look at me like that. Hold on, Captain. We're going through a rough spot. Put up the deflector shield, Scotty. Give it out, she's got no more. It was weird.